Hello friends, welcome to our channel KGR. Today talk about pharmaceutical industry in deviation. What is a deviation? Deviation management is an important part of pharmaceutical documentation. Then a lot of FDA warning letters issued due to the improper handling of the deviation. A deviation is an departure from approved process, procedures, instruction, specification, or established standards. Then, in the pharmaceutical industry, deviation can occur during drug product development, manufacturing, labeling, packing, sampling, testing, storage, distribution, and other process. Next, different types of deviation. First one, planned deviation. Second one, unplanned deviation. See this first one, planned deviation. Planned deviation are also known as controlled deviation. These are pre-planned deviation, and we know these before occurrence. These deviation are temporary and approved before the execution of the manufacturing process. Planned deviation are planned for specific time or number of batches to avoid any situation without any harm to the product quality. For example, change in batches due to unavailability raw material. Another example, change in supplier for experience. See this second on unplanned deviation. Unplanned deviation refer to departure from approved procedure without prior notice or intention. Various factors such as equipment malfunction, employer error, environment events, or others can cause them. For example, the sudden breakdown of manufacturing equipment lead to deviation from standard operating condition and affect product quality. Another example, introduction of foreign material into the production process, leading to material contamination and deviation from product specification. Next, categorized based on risk. Deviation or categorized based on risk level to assess their potential impact on product quality, patient safety, and the regulatory requirements. Companies are subject to on the basis of the impact of the deviation on the product. Deviation are of the following three types. First one, minor deviation. Second one, major deviation. Third one, critical deviation. First one, minor deviation. When a deviation occurs but it does not have any impact on product quality, it is categorized as a minor deviation. Minor deviation do not have any impact on the good manufacturing products system. For example, spillage of raw material during dispensing. Second one, major deviation. When any deviation has a considerable impact on product quality or GMP system, it is categorized as major deviation. For example, major deviation, a failure of critical equipment during production lead to significant delay in the manufacturing process and a potential impact on product quality. Another example, fluid bed trial breakdown during drying of the batch. Third one, critical deviation. When any deviation has a considerable impact on the quality of the product or GMP system, it is categorized a critical deviation. For example, use of expired raw material in the batch manufacturing. contamination of critical raw material used in production process that may lead to serious health risk for patient. For another example, the failure of HEPA filter in clean room that potential contamination risk. Let's go next. The deviation management process flow typically follows the following 5 steps. First on identification, second on reporting, third on investigation, fourth on documentation, fifth on implementation. See this first on identification. The initial phase involves understanding the event that lead to a deviation. Deviation can occur at any stage during the product manufacturing life cycle. As mentioned earlier, these events are classified minor, major, or critical, depending on their severity and potential impact. See this second on reporting. The deviation report holds significant importance in the deviation management process. It is a formal document used to record and document each identified deviation. The deviation report provides a comprehensive account of the deviation, including its natural location, date, time, personnel involved, and potential impact on product quality or safety. Third one, investigation. After identifying and reporting the deviation, the next step is to conduct a thorough investigation to determine its root cause. Root cause analyses are particularly crucial for major or critical deviation as they have a significant impact on product quality or compliance with the regulatory requirements. Fourth one, documentation. The deviation management process must be documented. This includes the documentation of identification of the deviation, the investigation, the corrective action, and preventive action. Let's go next. What are the deviation management guidelines in the pharmaceutical industry? First one, ISO 9001-2015 is a general quality management system standard that specified requirements for quality system in several industries. The standard addresses deviation management in section 10.2. Second one, ICHQ7 defines the GMP guidelines for ABI. Within ICHQ7 Quality Management Guidelines Section 2.16. Third one, US FDA 20 CFR Part 211 outline the current GMP requirements for finished pharmaceutical for companies in FDA regulatory industry. According to 21 CFR 211.100,